Hello everyone, this is Rose and this is Scarlett. Today we're making some bread pudding. Anyway, all of your bread that is very old bread like baguette, what you to do, we're giving you a recipe that can help you to do it as a dessert. Let's start it. We have 6 eggs. You're cracking the eggs and Scarlett's gonna crack it. Oh, this is the fresh egg from the garden, from our chicken. So, there it is. Voila. Do it like this. And Scarlett have 2 more. Oh no, somebody taking the thing. So what you need to do, and this is the ingredients. We'll explain it to you, the ingredients. This is a 6 eggs. You beat the 6 eggs. And then we have milk, a warm milk with the butter. And we have old bread that we cut it. And we have a sugar. And we have brown sugar, or any sugar you have. And we have this one is like a vanilla, but with a little bit sugar of it. And what is this, Scarlett? It's a cannelle.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon in English. So, and the last ingredients is,
What is it?
what's this?
Plums?
No, this is not a plums. This is not a guessing game, but this is a raisin. So let's start it. So we beat the eggs. And then while beating the eggs, we put some milk
With the butter.
with the butter, and if you want with the heavy cream.
Smells good.
And we put little by little the sugar. If you want a sweet one or not a sweet one, or even the honey, it will do. While you're beating it, by the way, you must to preheat your oven for 175 Celsius or 180 Celsius if you want. And voila, while we're beating it, then we added more the vanilla so that it's more nice.
Vanilla sugar.
It's not necessarily you will put the vanilla, but because us we like to put the vanilla, but you can easily added the
I want to put the
cinnamon
I thought you put it at the end.
later. It's okay. Here we can put all together. And it's a pan on. By the way, for the milk, this is 1 liter milk because we have a lot of bread to put. And you put all together. It's a pan on you, but we prepare like, wow. And then you mix it. Now there's more of sugar. This one is just only 2 tablespoons of sugar.
My arms are tired.
Oh wow. Actually, it's also a little bit tired.
Do it.
I'm okay. And then you can put Scarlett the bread, please. Kindly handle it.
Oh, I know this one.
Voila. And make sure that your bread is going to be soft. And voila. You put all together like so, and then you put all together, all pulled together. Yes. And if it's really hard, you can put it also in water. Could you get some? Voila. And then you put all the ingredients.
Then you mix it.
Mix it all together. And the last one you will put is the raisin. Yeah. And Jake is in here, our new guest. Yeah, this is a good one to play together to make together with your family, and voila. And then the last one you will put and then you will put it in the oven. And voila.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye. And this is the one that you will put it in the oven for 35 minutes. Then you wait until it finishes. And voila, that's all. And I hope I will show you later how they looks like. Okay? Thank you for watching. Bye. This is the fresh pudding with my homemade custard. Ide, voila. Perfect.